Hello students, welcome to Babbar's Academy. In this video, I am going to tell you how to determine quantum numbers of an element. There are 4 quantum numbers like N, L, ML and MS. How to find these? First of all, we have to write the electronic configuration of the given element. Suppose we take the example of Fe. Atomic number of Fe, iron, is 15. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, that count it, 2, 8, 10, 12 and 3 more. So, in the first shell there are 2 electrons, in the second there are 8 and in the third there are 5, which is not fully filled, that is unfilled. 3p3 is unfilled. We will take this only to find the quantum numbers. Now according to this 3p3, how we'll find the N? This number is N. Next comes L. How to find L? L is, as this I have written this, as L is equal to 0 if it is S subshell. If it is P subshell, there L is equal to 1. If D, then L is equal to 2, and F, L is equal to 3. Now here it is 3p3, that means P subshell. For P it is L is equal to 1. So we will write here L is equal to 1. Next comes ML. How to find ML? We will write the limits of L. That means if it is 1, we will write -1, 0 and +1. That means from -1 to +1. Now we will take these electrons. It is 3p3, so there are 3 electrons over here. First electron goes to this, -1, second and third. We will see where the last electron goes. It goes to +1. So quantum number ML is equal to +1. Next comes MS. There are 2 spins, +1/2 and -1/2. Out of these 2, what will be given to 3p3? We will again see the last electron goes to this +1, and we will see its direction because the spin is, this spin is upward and this, there is no downward spin. So if the spin is upward, for last electron is like this, so it will be +1/2. In this way we can find the 4 quantum numbers of an element. We can take another example like 4. We will not take all these things, that is the total configuration. Simply take the last incomplete subshell. If it comes 4d4, what will be the quantum numbers of for these? N will be 4. the first number. Then L again, we will see this. If L is equal to 0, then then here is D. D, if it is D, then L is equal to 2. So yeah, it will be equal to 2. Next comes ML. How to write ML? If L is equal to 2, then we will write -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. According to this, L is 2 and ML. Divide these electrons. Start from here. D 4. That means one electron will go to -2. Second will go to this. Third will go to 0. And fourth will go to +1. So the value of ML is +1. Next comes MS, spin. This is again upward, so it is +1/2. Now we can take the example of one more p orbital. We can say P4. Again n is equal to 4 and L is equal to, for P it is L is equal to 1 and ML in the same way as I have written over here, for 1, -1, 0 and 1. -1, 0 and +1. For L is equal to 1. How many electrons are there? 4. So first electron goes to here, second goes to here and third goes to here. 3. One more is left. It will go here. Where the last electron has gone, it has gone to -1. So ML is equal to -1. MS, what about the spin? The last electron is downward. So we will write -1/2. In this way, we can find different 4 quantum numbers of an element. You can practice more example. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment box. And if you like my video, don't forget to share and like it. Please subscribe my channel also. Thank you.